Hey guys, it is time. We just got a new shipment in. I wasn't going to do a voiceover because it kind of seems weird to do a voiceover for like an unboxing, unpackaging, sort of not kind of thing, but it's okay. Whatever, we're here. Right now, this is a package of our Southeast Indian raw hair. I was gonna say raw virgin, so I had to stop myself. Raw hair. This is it straight out of the package. No details. I mean, no co-washing, no shampooing, no nothing. The package is giving me a hard time, so I should probably just go ahead and cut the video here. Okay, here we are. It's cutting time. We're in the package. This is my first time looking at this shipment. This will be your first time looking at this shipment. We're gonna look at it together. Again, this is our Southeast Indian raw hair. No processing, no steam processing, no chemical processing. It looks like they didn't even cut the ends very well. We do that as well. So this is like super raw. Super raw. So let's get into this raw hair. Okay, sorry. A little bit of technical difficulties. So let's see what this bundle looks like. It looks gorgeous from outside the packaging. I'm getting like body wave vibes. Ooh, I like that. Super soft. Seriously, like if you know anything about Indian hair, you know that the strands are very light and very soft and very fluffy. This seriously feels like a dream in your hand. And I'm getting like real luscious body wave vibes. The wefts looks good. The beards aren't that long. I'm going to actually grab a brush to see how many strands we get from brushing this bundle. Not that many. Okay, nice. I like it. You see the body wave vibes. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video because I think this one was giving me a hard time too. So let's cut it. And we are back with another bundle. I like that one. It's like kind of body wave. Let me see if I can get the lighting a little bit better. But I'm getting like body wave / deep wave vibes. I like it. The ends obviously will be cut. If your hair plug is not cutting ends, to make sure your ends are luscious and full. We measure it after we cut the ends. So this looks like a 24-inch. In reality, we're going to call it a 22 because we cutting them ends, honey. Okay, perfect. Now you see, ooh, look at them colors. Okay, another thing about raw hair. If they all the same color, it ain't raw, honey. Raw hair has, you know, light brown and dark browns and black. Sometimes, you know, a lot of Indian women are famous for using henna in their hair. Sometimes it's traditional henna, which is like a deep brown, and sometimes it's a dark henna, which is less common. But yeah, so you get a wide variety of shades and a wide variety of textures and patterns. Let's get into all of these textures. I'm gonna try to maybe do one by one, and then I'm gonna hang them up so we can sort. This looks to be about, I don't know, 16, 17, maybe 20 bundles. I'm gonna cut here because I was adjusting the light, and I know you guys don't want to see me adjust the light. Okay, let's get into these bundles. Ooh, Bollywood vibes. What? Bollywood vibes. I hope that's not offensive. I'm not gonna say that again though. Let me back up so you can get all into this. See, look at them ends. Literally I wonder if I show this on camera, but literally I would cut like right there. Yeah. Okay. The color on this one, I can see it. Ooh. Well, okay. It's less dramatic when you lay it down, but it looks gorgeous. Holding it up. That's more of a straight bundle. So again, guys, so like this is super raw. So even though this is a wavy shipment, some bundles are obviously going to be less wavy than others, which is why we do our best to take pictures of each bundle set so that you actually know what you're getting. Because with raw hair, no bundle is identical, no bundle is the same, and that's how you know it's real. Okay, let's get into this one. This one looks to be a lot more curlier than these two. I like. It's not focusing, sorry guys. It's supposed to be auto focusing, so let me see if I can fix this. Okay, yeah. Let's see if we can brighten this up just a little bit so you guys can see it better. Oh, yes, this right here. Now you can really see it. All those waves, baby. Okay, I'm kidding. Okay, yeah. So you see, we got straight, slightly wavy, a little more of a deep body wave, if that's such a thing. This is why we don't name the textures. We keep it real simple: straight, wavy, and curly. Okay, let me see this one. So this one, ooh, gorgeous. I'm gonna call that one chocolate. We got like some hazelnut kind of vibes going, and then we got the chocolate bundles going. I love it. Look at those deep, rich, chocolatey tones. And ooh, we got an espresso. Yes. Raw hair only. I love it. Raw hair goes, honey. I love it. I love looking at the different tones and the different colors. Gorgeous. That is raw hair. This is what raw hair looks like, sis. This is what raw hair looks like, sis. Ooh. Look at the texture in this one. So you see the little lint. I don't think those are knits. We haven't gotten bundles with knits in it yet because our vendor actually cleans the knits for us. But you see little lint balls from the packaging or whatever. Again, this is before doing anything, before washing, before conditioning. I just want to give you guys a really good. The focus is, come on now, Canon, come through, Canon. Okay. Ooh, look at the bounce, just the shake, the lusciousness, the gorgeousness. Look at that raw texture. It's not silky, it's not like silky shiny. So if you have a leave out, you don't have to fry your leave out to make it match. It's perfect. The perfect luster. Why am I that close to the camera? Look at that. Gorgeous. Even in different colors. Not too silky. Look at those full strands. Yes. Okay, so I'm not going to go through every bundle on camera because this video is almost 2 minutes long. But I just wanted to come back and show you guys some more of the gorgeous different textures and tones. And look at that. It's like milk chocolate. Anyway, guys, we're going to do more videos like this of us unboxing. We're a really translucent company. A lot of work goes into getting the bundles from us to you. We give each bundle a lot of detail, a lot of care, a lot of TLC. But guys, if you have any questions, let us know at www.thebeautewingco.com. Add us on Instagram, add us on Twitter, and we're getting a Snapchat very soon. So, love you guys. Thanks for chilling with us at the Beauty Wing. Look at that. Raw hair goals. Raw hair vibes. Yes.